Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to teach you how you can split a video in CapCut. Since nowadays CapCut has been a very popular editing app lately, and most people, especially TikTokers, has been using it to edit it. So you will learn how to split your video in CapCut. So in today's video I'm going to show you can do all that by using CapCut. And the steps are quite actually simple. Simply start by opening your CapCut. And now that your CapCut is open, you can see that we have our recent videos we once worked on. So let's simply start by opening new project. And now that the new project is open, you can see that we have been given the option to select the video you would like to edit. So simply select the one you like. And now as you can see, your video has been opened in the proper tools for editing. So now this is where we are going to split our video. So to do that, simply come and then click on the editing button. And now as you can see, you have been presented with even more tools to work with, and now you can split anywhere you like. For example, let's try split from in the middle of the video. And now if you click here on this button which says split, and if you check, you can see that our video has divided into two. So you can edit differently the video you have split or even delete it. So from now on you can split your video however you want. And if you wanted, you would go back and then get it back to normal. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, please make sure you subscribe.